from the Russian Federation, I guess, or from the post-Soviet republics.
И это очень хорошо, что до СВО не дожили такие подразделения, как «Торнадо».
And it's very nice and good that some military organizations like Tornado didn't live through to see the start of the special military operation.
Да, они находились в тюрьме, но по очень тяжким обвинениям со стороны даже украинского правительства, но их выпустили, и мы их всех убили.
Those guys were in jail and prisons at the moment of the start of the special military operation because even in, let's say, Ukrainian standards, those guys were absolutely insane and crazy. But thank God, the Ukrainian government granted them freedom, gave them freedom for exchange for fighting for the side of the Ukrainian people, and they killed them all.